Google just confirmed the Pixel 10. Here's everything you need to know. The Pixel 10 series will be unveiled on August 13th at Google's Made by Google event, and it's launching with not one, but 4 models. The Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pro XL, and a Pro Fold. It runs on the new Tensor G5 chip, 3 nanometers more efficient, with upgraded AI and a GPU that supports ray tracing. It sports a 6.3-inch OLED flat display at 120 Hz. The design? Clean flat aluminum edges, a matte glass back, and subtle refinements to the camera bump. Now for the camera game, a 50 megapixel main sensor, 48 megapixel ultra wide. And for the first time on the base model, a telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. The front cam, 10.5 megapixels, perfect for 4K vlogging. The Pixel 10 runs on a 4,700 mAh battery with 27 watt fast charging, 15 watt wireless charging, and possibly reverse wireless charging. Battery anxiety? Not here. Connectivity includes full 5G support, eSIM plus nano SIM, IP68 water resistance, and an optical in-screen fingerprint sensor. It's sturdy and future ready. Pixel 10 is smarter, faster, and more camera focused than ever. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're Team Pixel or Team someone else. Catch you in the next one.